You okay? You gotta plug your nose, huh?
I know. I have a nose. I can't breathe any. I have a nose thing.
I know, but the nose thing sometimes fills up with water, huh? Yeah.
That's Sophia.
Yeah? You having fun? You cold?
Not so much.
Not so much? You look like you're shivering. Are you ready? Go in again. I'm going to get you on tape.
Okay. Can you come in with me?
I don't know. The water's as cold as yesterday. That's it, huh? There's Savannah. You alright?
Can I take a little rest?
Yeah, you want some fruit?
Thank you.
Brr.
Also, here she wants some.
Look at me. You're on tape. You say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Your sister's mad at mommy.
Why?
Because they won't let her in the deep end.
Savannah! Sometimes it sticks to my nose.
What sticks to your nose?
Oh, you can touch that. I can do that too. I have someone. That's okay. If you forget, I'll tell you. Okay?
I know. You told me like 5 times. Can you pull your bathing suit up?
Yeah.
I think you need to get a bigger bathing suit. Savannah in the pool yet?
Sophia, don't take a rest.
No rest for...